What's up, guys? I'm going to do a quick unboxing here of the Alcatel LinkZone 2 4G LTE hotspot. Sorry about that, I got the battery notification about low battery. So it's also a portable power bank as well. It has a USB port for it. Here's what's on the back, tells you about it. And all you gotta do is pay for the service on Boost Mobile. As you can see, $10 a month for 2 gigs. And the hotspot's free. The plan was $15 a month, but now it's $10. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. And you can see they sent the SIM card. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So I cut the little sticker here so it wouldn't be hard to open. So go ahead and get it open and make sure there's nothing that you guys can't see. It's got a little sheet here that under my fingers has the Wi-Fi password and everything. Let me go ahead and grab the unit itself here. Very light. Battery might not be installed in it. And then it has instructions on the back. It would appear that we do have to put the battery in. So let's keep going in the box here. Get that battery. Here's the quick start guide. And there's battery, so let me get that installed real quick. So here is the battery installed. I haven't inserted the SIM card, but you can see it's got USB out port right there. Try to get it in focus. Yeah, should be able to charge. Let's see if it even turns on. Oh, it does turn on. Let me go ahead and grab a cable, see if we can't charge a phone. Alright, so it's showing the red icon because my SIM card isn't in yet, but it's very long battery, but I just want to see that it will charge a phone. See, I got the cable here. Plug it into my S22. Sorry, it's kind of hard one-handed. And you can see we're charging, so there's proof that it charges. So if you was wanting a cheap hotspot that can also charge your phone, I mean, here is one. I got the back cover off. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more unboxings like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Alright, so you can see that I got the SIM card installed and it's showing signal now. But I wanted to mention that this flyer that came with it for the SIM card shows the white SIM card on the front, which I did receive. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think the white SIM card is the T-Mobile. I can't be so sure about that, but let me know in the comments below. But again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.